Good morning, student. Now everybody is ready for the English class. Now, last class we have done the poem My Mother. I hope all of you have understood. Now today we will discuss the question answers, that is extract question answers from the poem. The first extract question which is there is, you come to me like heaven's caring arms. I remember the war days when life was challenge and toil, miles to walk, hours before sunrise. Okay. So who are you and me in the hour blinds? You come to me. You is mother and me is the poet. Okay. Now the second question. Identify the figure of speech used in the first line and explain it. Now in the first line you have to identify the figure of speech. You come to me like heaven's caring arms. So over here which figure of speech is used? It is simile. Okay. Direct comparison is given over here. Like is used. So it is simile. Okay. And what does it mean? Who come to him? Mother's caring arm was like a heaven's. Okay. It resembles like heaven. Mother's caring arm. Okay. Now mention two things that made the poet's life difficult. Okay, what was the difficulty which the poet faced in his life? Two things. That was, he has to go to the school, that is the saintly teacher, miles before the sunrise. And again, what was the another one? That again he used to go again miles to get the Arab teaching. Okay. So these two are the difficulties in poet's life. Though there were many difficulties, like he used to sell the newspaper. He used to study at the street lamp at night. Okay. Many such difficulties he were facing. So any two you are supposed to write it down over here. Okay. Now why did the poet have to walk so much early in the morning? Why he has to walk so much early in the morning? Because he has to, before going to school, he has to get what? The education, isn't it? From the saintly teacher and then from the Arabic. Okay. And then again he has to go and distribute the newspaper. Okay. So he has to walk so much early in the morning. Walking is because he has to take the teacher's, you can say, lessons from saintly teacher and then from the Arab teaching school. Okay. So first extract is over. Now let us come on to the second extract. All this pain of a young boy, my mother, you transformed into pious strength with kneeling and bowing 5 times. Now who is the young boy? Young boy is the poet. Okay, and what pain is he talking about? All this pain of a young boy, means whatever the poet was doing, that is, from the early morning he used to go to the temple to get the education, then to the Arab teaching, then selling newspaper, all these pain, all these were the pains, okay, which he was talking about. Now, what was this pain transformed into? How did this transformation take place? Now, what was this pain transformed into? Into pious strength. Okay, and how did it take place? Now, this take place by the mother praying to the God. Okay, that is, she was kneeling and bowing 5 times. She was praying to the God. That transformed the pain, okay, into pious strength. Now the last question is, what do you understand by kneeling and bowing 5 times? By kneeling and bowing, what do you mean? In the Muslim community, kneeling and bowing is offering prayer to the God 5 times by kneeling and then bowing before the God. Okay, so the extract question, that is 1 and 2, is over. Now come on to the HOTS question. How did the poet's mother act as a source of inspiration to the poet? Now, how did the poet's mother act as a source of inspiration? She used to always give faith on him. Okay, then her care and tenderly arms used to remove the pain. Okay, then she knew the pain of the child, and even she was very much understanding, and she used to kneel or pray to the God for the children. So these all were the source of inspiration of the poet. Okay, you will write it down on your own. I am discussing the question answers. You will write it down on your own. Okay, now third one is, there are many ups and downs in man's life, but one should not lose hope. Yes, it is very much true that there are many ups and downs in life. Means sometimes we are having happy moments, sometimes we are even having the sad moments, but we should not lose hope. Okay, we are supposed to write this answer according to the poet, that is APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, so what happened in his early life? There were many ups and downs, isn't it? Many problems he used to bear while getting education or while living a life. Okay, so he overcome through his hard work, and he never lost hope. He was just working on. Okay, and his hard work led him to the new life, that afterward he became the President of India. Okay, now value based. Sleeping on your lap to the envy of elder brothers and sisters. Why were the elder brother and sister envious of the poet? Is envy good? Why the brother and sister used to envy? Because that poet, that is APJ Kalam, used to sleep on the mother's lap. Okay, that is why others were envious. Is envy good? No, not at all. We should never envy anyone. Enviness gives jealousy. So we must be always having good terms with other. We should not feel jealous of anyone. Okay. You have to write it down according to your own. I'm just giving you some points on it, and you are supposed to write the full answer. Okay. Now come on to the last question, that is writing skill. The word mother evokes powerful emotion in everyone. Think about your mother and write a short poem about her, thanking her for everything she does for you. Now you have to write a short poem for your mother. Okay. That how she helps you, what she does for you, all those things you are supposed to put it and make a rhythmic poem. So it is not needed that you should write a very long poem. Your poem can be very short and either 6 lines or so. Try and write it down on your own. Okay. So the question answers I have discussed with you. Now you are supposed to write it down with the points on your own. Now after that, let us come on to the question number 1. Now question number 1 says that we are supposed to think that she is the mother and what all images flash across his mind, the poet's mind. You are supposed to fill the web chart. First one is given, it is sea waves. It may be, others are golden sand, pilgrimage faith, okay, Rameshwaram Mosque Street. Next it will be. Got it? So all these were taken up as a mother altogether. Okay. Now the second question says, the poet has beautifully described some personal qualities of his mother. In the table given below, you are supposed to match. Okay. So helpful means shared your best with whoever needs it the most. She. Okay. Now understanding means she, that you knew the pain of your child. Now how she was religious, you always gave and gave with faith in him. Okay. And how she was tender, your caring hand tenderly removing the pain. So match the following is over. All of you have written match the following. Now let us discuss question number C, that is, the poet's childhood days were full of struggle. Find out a few things that the poet has to do in his childhood to help the family. Okay, so we are supposed to take out the struggle moment of the poet. So what were the struggle moment? First was that he has to go miles of hour before the sunrise to take the lesson from the saintly teacher near the temple, and then again miles to the Arab teaching school. Okay. Then again another problem was that he has to climb the sandy hills to the railway station road for collecting and distributing newspaper to temple city citizens. Okay. Then again before going to school he has to distribute the newspaper, and then in the evening time he has to do some business to earn money. Before going to bed he used to study under the street lamp, because in his house there was no light provided. Okay, so these all were the problematic times which he faced during the war period. Okay, it was the Second World War when he has to face such type of difficulties. So these were the difficulties. You can write on your own with your own words about his difficulties, or you can write it down in points also, in whichever form, paragraph form or point form, you can put it down. Now A, B, C we have discussed. All these things you are supposed to write it down in your copy. Even the extract questions which I have discussed, you will be putting it down in your copy. I have given you the points. You are supposed to elaborate and write the answer on your own. Okay. Some of the questions need little, you can say 7 to 8 lines answer, like life skill question and then value based question. You will be writing it down in 7 to 8 lines. Okay. Now this will be your homework to write down all the question answers in your English copy, and next class I will be doing the practice book with you. One more chapter is left, that is Luncheon, before your first term, and in your grammar there are some chapters which I will be dealing in my next class. So complete your work. Till then, goodbye.